In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can claim rewards here in Slime RNG on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and open up the game itself, and you want to go ahead and navigate into the index section on this right hand sidebar. Go ahead and select index, and inside the index itself, you're going to see all of the slimes that you've actually collected in here. Now, after you collect a certain amount of slimes, you're going to see down in the bottom right that you're going to have permanent boosts that you can actually go ahead and claim. Now, for example, I need to find 5 new slimes that I have not found yet. Unfortunately, I haven't found them, which is very annoying. But as soon as I do that, I'll go ahead and claim, a roll speed boost. I'll also get permanent luck boost and permanent coin boost as well by 5%. And this goes for every single category as well. It is so worth doing these, so always make sure that you're checking these whenever you have the ability to. From there, you can go into your backpack, and if you did get anything, you can equip them from the item section. But that's actually the full process. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let's know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.